Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Ninja SLUSHI XL. This is a bigger size, more flavors, making perfect slushies. Alright, so right here we have the Ninja SLUSHI XL. This one makes up to 120 ounce capacity. So this is an extra large capacity. This is 8 inches wide by 17.1 inches high by 19.7 inches deep or long. So this is the 128. I did get the purple and the pink. This one here has 6 programs to choose from. It does come with a recipe inside. So I did pick up some orange sun-kissed because I am going to make a drink out of this. So this one here gives you 2 times bigger, 2 times faster. This is smarter than any other one. This XL is easier way to slush at home. You don't need any ice, no blending, and no guesswork. First off, here on the top, it does have for recipe tips and tricks and instructions. It has you to scan this QR code. And on this side here on the back is the drip tray. You have your extension cord that goes with the machine. So this one here, you can turn your favorite drinks into smoothies, slushies, sodas, frappes, margaritas, milkshakes, and more. This is unlocks alcohol recipes. So it does have a spiked and double spiked for those alcohol recipes. This is a superior frozen drink experience. You can create full flavored ice-free frozen drinks with smoother, more consistent texture and a blender. So this one here is a massive size, as you can see right here. It is a good size. I actually had one previously that was a lot smaller to this one. This is the extra large. So you do have serve assistant. That one basically takes the recipes that you put in there and it determines what temperature and level it needs to be at. But you got slush, spiked, spikes max. You also have milkshake and frozen juices. So right here they have a level you can set the temperature and how much you want it to slush. This is where you'll pour your drink out. All of this is removable and it is washable. Up at the top, so is the drip tray. So this is where the top part is where you'll pour your liquids into. It says do not add any ice. Do not add any hot beverage drinks into this. No solids or hots or ingredients. So if you're going to mix your stuff, it advises to mix it before you add it in there. 24 ounce minimum load. Liquids are here. For this to freeze, it has to have a minimum of 4% of sugar. Anything less than that, it will not freeze. So right here, you've got the power button. We're going to do the assist. And then I'm going to grab my soda because I want to make an orange dreamsicle, just like the ice cream. So right here is the sun-kissed orange. I'm going to add this plus some sweet condensed milk. It'll give the creamy flavor. So right here, you'll want to add about a half a can to this. So let's just go ahead and finish off the ingredients and we'll come right back. All right, so we got the soda. We're going to go ahead and pour it into this little cup right here. So that top thing does come off so you do not spill. And of course, my soda has to spill. So I'm just going to grab it, make sure that it doesn't spill this time. So it's a really good size, container size to hold it. So it'll just drip right up in there. And then once I pour off all my soda, I'm going to use the whole 2 liter of this orange soda. I'm going to grab my sweetened condensed milk, about a half a can. So I'm just going to pour it right in here and I'm going to take my spoon and kind of push it out into the little thing so it can drip into the reservoir because you want the creamy feeling and the taste, which tastes very good, by the way. So I'm just going to slowly start pouring it in here. You can see it's pouring in. And then once you get all that in there, you want to close the top and then you'll want to put in the assistant. That assistant will automatically determine what liquids you've put in there so it can freeze it properly. So we're going to do the Ninja Assistant. Click on this button right there. And then we're going to let it go ahead and turn on. You can see that it's mixing it. And then we're just going to wait for that to mix. Usually mixing process takes about 15 minutes, especially since my soda was nice and warm. It wasn't actually cold. The colder it is, the less time it takes to cool it down. So right here, I'm just pouring it in here. So if you like the orange dreamsicle, those ice cream pops. This one tastes just like it. I've added a little Cool Whip to it. I'm going to go ahead and put my straw in here. This drink is fabulous. If you're looking for a nice ice mixer that does several different recipes, I would highly recommend checking this one out. They do offer this in different colors, but I did get the purple and the pink color.